Good morning, Manila, Philippines. Hello, everyone in the world. This is Mr. Mia from SM Mall of Asia, Manila, Philippines. Today, I want to show you wonderful, amazing video. Today is Sunday, government holiday. That's why plenty of people come here in Seaside Mall of Asia for morning walk. Some people are walking, some people are running, plenty of people doing to Zumba, well, plenty of people is doing here cycling. You can see guys, plenty of bicycle is here. I am also come for morning walk. That's why I am trying to show you beautiful place. Bicycling is very good exercise for human body. So guys, if you have time, please you can do also any physical exercise because health is wealth. Everybody need good health. If you do any physical exercise, that is good for your body. So guys, please you can also try. Please like, comment, share my videos, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please support me, for I will show you another amazing beautiful video. You can see next time I will show you Zumba video. Zumba.